So we just turned off the machine in order to get the changes on the replacement of the Yaskawa drive with a Mitsubishi MR-J2 drive for the turret. So we modify the parameter, we upload the PLC software. Now we're going to test or configure or commissioning the drive. So let's go to diagnosis. We still have problem with the alarm. We need to fix that. But let's go the lubrication alarm. We change the flow meter, so we need to configure the flow meter. But let's do that later. Let's go to the MR-J2 software and see if we have connection with the drive. So apparently we have connection because we don't have any communication issues. So let's read the parameter from the drive. We can all read to see if we have any connection. Yes, we do have. So we can set the parameters manually, or what I'm gonna do is to use a backup that we get from another machine. So I'm gonna open that file, which is the turret parameter. And now I'm looking the data from the file, and I will all write this list to the drive. Okay. Okay, so we have completed the upload. So let's test it. Let's click from here and see if we can move the turret. Let's check if we have any alarm. No, we don't have the turret alarm, so let's try. Let's give it a try, and we are physically on the position number 1. We need to configure the LED to lead when the position is number 1, so we need to do another modification. So, but let's check. Oh, actually we're not in the tool number 1. Okay, let's try. Okay, maybe we need to, okay, it's in setup mode. We're setting the tool position number 1. I guess it won't allow us to move the turret until we solve this issue. Let's try to move the axis to home. Yeah, we're able to move it. So let's try here. Okay. We need first to reference the home. Okay. We still have to do another modification on the PLC with the emergency stop because we don't have hydraulic power now. Let's do that first. So in order to get the modification of the parameter accepted, what we did is to upload the file, but we forget that there are some parameters that need to be you need to cycle power the drive. So we did that, and now as you see we have in jog a pretty fast speed. So let's stop and do the same, leave the same parameter for the speed in 900 instead of 400. Oh, sorry, I tried to do all right instead of all read. So now we have to modify the jog speed in parameter group number 1, which is in 900. This one is the parameter 151. Let's enter 900, and that parameter doesn't need to be the drive to cycle power. Let's write only that parameter. Okay, and let's jog now. Oh, much better. So we need to stop in position number 1, which is that 2 position on the bottom. A little bit more. Okay, this one. So let's keep moving. What we can do is to go in steps. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I want to select step. We can give the amount. We can move 1 degree at a time or less. Let's do it 1 degree. And every time we hit normal or reverse, we will move 1 degree. As you see, I'm hitting one degree or step normal every degree. Once the position is in number 1, we will do the other procedure. So the position number 1 should match these little dots, and that is the position, the right position. Right there. So if we can check it by doing clamp and clamp and see if it works. So we still have illegal home position. We still need to do that procedure, but let's check the clamp and clamp position first. Maybe it's because we have a movement that is angular. Maybe we need to correct the position, the angle 1 degree more. So let's do that. One step more. Now we are in the position 66, 150. Now we are in the 67, 150. And let's try again. Okay, so we need to do it in reverse mode, a little bit less. So now we are calibrating the mechanical position to define the home, the turret home position. So let's reverse 100 and let's leave it in 67 by doing this movement. Let's try there. Much better. We still have a little bit to move the position. Let's do it in incremental, the 1 degree now. Tau and reverse. Okay, let's give it 2 and try again. That's pretty good. So now in that position we need to declare the home, and we need to modify it to lead this LED. We need to modify the logic. So that's the position we will configure now. So let's review the procedure. Let's do the home position by following this procedure that is on Teams. That is the MR-J2 drive home position set. So we need first to unclamp the turret and be on the mechanical position number 1. Okay, so now we have to go to the MR-J2 and select. This is gonna be our home position. It should be 0 at the end of the procedure. So we need to select reference return. Okay. We already did these steps. Test operation. Okay. Shock. Absolute position in the box. Spot. Okay. We need to check this absolute position checkbox. Okay. So we will set the origin. Okay. We have now that So we will move now normal, and this should move. I guess we didn't stop the first option. Sorry. Let's stop first. The first command. No, now we have absolute origin set. We already have prepared that for that. Let's do a normal. It doesn't move. We are having an issue here. Let's check the alarm first. Okay, we have failed on the return, so we need to clear this alarm first. Okay, so we still have this condition, so this is the procedure we are doing. Let's close this. Okay, we have all the conditions now. Return, reference return, absolute position initial set, origin set. We have this condition. Let's click it there. Please move. Okay. Let's hit there. It doesn't like it. Oh, okay. Sorry. Why we have that parameter here? Let's clear the alarm because maybe we have another the same alarm. Okay, no. Let's change the mode and do it again. Let's go to jog. Absolute.
The current position is to be jog. You must be jog.
Yeah. Let me reboot the drive or the software. Let's do it again. Okay. Now test operation. Okay.
Jog.
Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Origin set. Okay. And normal. Without changing the reference return. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
There you go. So now we have to end and reboot and cycle power the machine in order to get the data. Let's to clamp and then turn off. So after we did the origin set on the MR-J2, we need now to finish the procedure. Let's check the diagnosis. We don't have any alarm. So let's go back to the MR-J2 again. What's the next step, Jorge? So let's go back to the test operation now again. We just cycle power the machine from the previous procedure. Okay, we have to change the reference. Now we have the condition completion. Reference return. Okay.
Unclamp the turret, go back.
Oh, okay, I forgot to unclamp the turret. position and clamp the turret. Okay. And normal. Okay. Okay. Now we have the okay. Now we have the turret in 0. Now we are done with the procedure. We need to do an extra step that is not in the original procedure, is to save the parameters. So let's read the parameters. Or read. Okay. So now let's go to File and save as a TURRET.PRM. Save it. Okay. And we should ready to go. Let's test it. Close this one. Clamp. Let's select tool number 2. We are in the position tool number 1. And let's try in setup mode. Perfect. So let's go back to position number 1 and reverse. Okay, it worked. So if I go to the position number 2 without changing the toggle switch, it will do a complete turn. And that's it. Perfect.